In this video, we're going to talk about a polling campaign. Before we can set a polling campaign up in the Campaigns tab, we have to first set up the poll. Start by clicking the Poll button. You can see we already have some polls set up here, so instead of setting up a new one, I'm just going to edit one and walk you through it. Of course, we could always add a new one by clicking the Add Poll drop-down. I'm going to click the Edit icon. You can see here's a poll set up to allow people to vote for their favorite Flintstone. The poll has a title, Favorite Flintstone, and then has a number of options, 1, 2, 3, and 4, that each correlate to a different result. The first box is the keyword. Now this doesn't have to be a number. This could be a trivia answer. But regardless of what you're doing, the keyword that the people text in goes in the first box. The second box is the corresponding value for that keyword for tracking purposes. And we can add an option and then click Update to save that poll. And we can add as many options as we want. We can view the results of any poll simply by clicking on the poll title. It doesn't look clickable, but it is. And if I click on the poll title, you'll see these are the results of that poll. How many people have voted for each one of each Flintstone. You can also reset this poll at any time by clicking the Reset button. You'll see when I do that, it changes my responses back to 0. Now let's set up the campaign to go with it. Click on the Campaigns button and add a campaign. We would give the campaign a title and choose Poll. That would open up this dialog. Again, for the purposes of this video, I'm just going to edit the existing Flintstones poll. So we're in our Campaigns tab. We pick up our favorite Flintstone campaign right here, and I'm going to click the Edit icon. Here's our campaign. It has a title that matches the poll title, but can be different. The poll button is checked. We're going to leave the web URL blank. That's covered in an advanced video. We're going to select a poll from our available polls. You can see there's several polls here, and those are the ones we just set up on the poll button. We're going to select it here. We're going to select a number to use for the poll from our available phone numbers, and then we're going to give the reply. Your vote for option, and we can use the option keyword here, has been recorded. We will announce the favorite Flintstone shortly. If you want them to be able to only vote one time, then you can include an if member statement that would say, I'm sorry, only one vote per cell number. However, if you don't care and want them to be able to vote as many times as they want, then simply leave this blank. Update the campaign, and you're good to go. I'll see you in the next video.